Hey Siri, set out off.
Out of. Coming right up.
Hey Siri, set out relax.
Out relax. Coming right up.
Hey Siri, set out night.
Out night. Coming right up.
Hey Siri, turn off dining room.
Coming right up.
Hey Siri, it's movie time.
Movie time. Coming right up.
Alexa, turn on outdoor stone lights.
Alexa, activate stay armed.
Hey Google, turn on outdoor stone lights.
Got it. Turning the outdoor stone lights on.
Hey Google, turn off outdoor stone lights.
Sure. Turning the outdoor stone lights off.
Someone is in the backyard.
If you like our tutorials, support our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Like and share our videos. And if our tutorials help you to grow your business, become a true member of Poseidwn Tech by clicking the join button. If you want to learn more about our services, visit our website. Hello and welcome to Poseidwn Tech. This is the Easykon for KNX. a voice control bridge from Freedompro that works with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, IFTTT, if this then that, and Home Assistant. It comes in this box. So, let's unbox it. Inside the box you will find the Easykon KNX server, Easykon server has a power supply terminal block, the reset button, the status LED, the sign in and unpairing button, Apple HomeKit setup code, the KNX connector, and the RJ45 socket. Inside the box you will find also the quick start guide, and a sticker with the Apple HomeKit setup code and the pairing code for Freedompro Cloud. So, let's start. The installation is very easy. Hook Easykon for KNX to the DIN bar of the electrical panel. Connect the KNX bus cable. Connect the Ethernet cable. Connect the 12 or 24 volts power supply. You can use any DC or AC 12 or 24 volts power supply. Polarity doesn't matter. When the status LED turns to fixed blue, the device is ready. To access the Easykon web interface, we need first to find the IP address that has been assigned to Easykon. To scan your local network for the devices that are connected, you will need a software like LAN Scan for Mac or Advanced IP Scanner for Windows. So, this is the IP address of Easykon. Open a browser and type the IP address of Easykon. Click on the Sign In button. To sign in, you have to press the Sign In button on the device. This is Easykon's web interface. By clicking the gear button, you can access device settings. From the settings, you can back up and restore your configuration. Change the language. View all device information. Create an access code. The access code lets you access the Easykon interface without pressing the button on the front of the device. Click on Create a new access code. And keep this password safe. To use the access code, click on Sign In. Click on I can't press. Enter the access code. And click on Sign In. From the settings, you can also change the physical address. The main interface of Easykon has the KNX project import area and the accessory configuration area. To start, we have first to export a KNX project from ETS. To import a KNX project, click on Import button. Click on Choose File. Select your KNX project and click on Open. Click on Import. Now, on the KNX project import area, you can see all the group addresses from your KNX project, like the Group Addresses tab on the ETS. The next step is to link the accessories with the group addresses. So, click on Add a new accessory. Here is a list of all available accessories. For more info, check compatibility list from Freedompro website. For example, for an on-off light, select light bulb accessory and drag and drop the on-off group address on control parameter and the status group address on status parameter. Enter the name of the accessory and click on Save. Let me show you more examples with different accessories. These are the group addresses of my SATEL alarm system. For the alarm system integration with KNX, I used the KNX system integration module from SATEL. I will make a video about it, so stay tuned. These are all my accessories. The next step is to pair Easykon with Apple HomeKit. Open the Apple Home application on iPhone. Tap the Add Accessory button. Scan the QR code that is printed on the front of Easykon. Tap Add to Home. Select Room for Easykon server and tap Continue. Enter a name for the bridge. And tap Continue. Now, for every accessory, you have to select Room and Name. To control HomeKit accessories while you're away from home, you need a Home Hub. HomePod, HomePod Mini, and Apple TV are set up automatically as Home Hubs, so you can control your home even when you are not in it and run automations straight away. For this tutorial, I will use an Apple TV. To set up Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT, and Home Assistant, you will have first to set up Freedompro Cloud. Don't worry, it's free, so let's start. Go to Freedompro website and click on Cloud. Click on Pair and manage your devices. Log in to Freedompro Cloud using your Google or Facebook account. Click on Add New Device. Select your Easykon and click on Continue. Give a name. Click on Continue. Insert the pairing code from the sticker that comes with Easykon. Click on Continue. Click on End to complete setup. Freedompro Cloud is ready, so let's set up Amazon Alexa. Open Alexa app. Tap More. Tap Skills and Games. Search for Freedompro. Tap Enable to use. Log in to Freedompro Cloud. Tap Discover Devices. That's it. All devices have been added to Alexa. It's time for Google Assistant. Open Google Home app. Tap Add button. Tap Set up device. Tap Works with Google. Search for Freedompro. Log in to Freedompro Cloud. For every device, select Home and Room. Google Home is ready. IFTTT is short for If This Then That, and it is an automation tool that lets you easily connect all your services together. Users can create their own custom automation applications called applets. For this tutorial, I will create an applet using the messaging service Telegram. So, if a new message with key phrase #SOS will be sent in a group, then a KNX scene will be activated in order to turn on all lights. Let me show you how easy it is. visit IFTTT.com and create an account. Click on Create. Click on Add. The service that will trigger my automation will be Telegram. I will select New Message with key phrase in a group. To link a group from Telegram, click on Connect New Groups. Select Group from Telegram app. Now the selected group is linked to Telegram. For key phrase, I will enter #SOS. As a reply, I will enter emergency routing has been initiated. Click on Create Trigger. Click on Add to add action. Search for Freedompro. I will select Scene, but first I will add the Scene accessory on Easykon. Click on Add a new accessory and select 1-byte scene. Drag and drop the scene group address on control parameter and select scene number. Click on Save. Back to IFTTT. Select Scene. Click on Connect. Log in to Freedompro Cloud. The available scenes are automatically loaded, so select Scene and click on Create Action. Click on Continue. Click on Finish. The applet is ready. To set up Home Assistant, visit Home Assistant website. Click on Integrations. Search for Freedompro. We will need to generate an API key from Freedompro Cloud. Log in to Freedompro Cloud. Click on your profile icon. Go to API Key tab and click on Generate. Copy the API key. Back to Home Assistant. Click on Add Integration. Click on Update. Click on Open Link. Agree to set up Freedompro. Paste the API key. Click on Submit. All the devices from Easykon are listed here. Select area for every device. When done, click on Finish. Now you can control your KNX devices with Home Assistant. Let me show you how to create a cool automation with Home Assistant. When my axis camera detects motion, it will turn on my outdoor lights,
Someone is in the backyard.
and my Sonos speaker will announce that someone is in the backyard. The KNX lights are in Home Assistant, so from Configuration and Integrations, I will add my axis camera that has been automatically discovered. I will add also my Sonos speaker. Now in Home Assistant, I have my KNX lights, my axis camera, and my Sonos speaker. So it's time to create the automation. Click on Configuration and Automations. Click on Add Automation. Start with an empty automation. Give a name for the automation. The trigger type will be device, and the device will be my axis camera. The trigger will be the motion detection profile of the camera. I want the automation to run every day from 1 o'clock to 7. So, I will add condition. Condition type will be time. I will select all the days. And time after 1 and before 7. The first actions will be to turn on my outdoor lights. The last action will be the Sonos speaker. Action type will be call service. Service will be text to speech. The entity will be my Sonos speaker. And the message will be, someone is in the backyard. Click on Save. Final step is to enable the automation. That's it. So simple. This was Easykon from Freedompro. I have tested Easykon for more than 6 months and I have used it in different projects. I like that the setup is locally on the device, so it can be done anywhere, even if without internet connection. I like that I can select to enable the cloud service or not. The interface is really simple. And it supports all the main smart home platforms. In my opinion, the only thing that is missing from the device is to work as KNX IP interface on ETS, but I believe that this feature will be added in a future update. And it will be very nice if the device could be powered with PoE. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.